Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Siwelele 0. I'm joined by Chris.
Mr. Stibo.
Yeah.
I'm really hurt, Mr. Stibo.
You're hurt, my brother.
Mr. Stibo, the way we're going today.
Yeah.
Seems like we're not serious.
Yeah.
Mr. Stibo, Mama Pega. Lumpana lo. Bekadlala ayi-1 kuphela.
Ubani?
Umfana wethu umdu. Bekadlala ayi-1 lo mfana lo mfethu.
Novila.
There is something about that guy.
Yeah.
Yabona umdu.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you something, Mr. Steve.
Yeah.
Lo mfana sombona fair.
Yeah.
I'm really hurt, Mr. Steve.
You're hurt, my
Yabona today anginawo namagama amaningi.
Yeah.
Ngizwa ngathi ngizokhala. Yazi mfethu ngiphethe nangendlu ngale.
You.
Ngisaba nokubera ekheni mfethu.
Man.
Ngiyahamba manje.
Phethe ngendladla.
Ngempela mfethu.
Elakini.
Awuthi nginikele intwana yami ikhuluma.
Ucrash.
Kahle ngifuna ukuphalasa.
Phalaza bhuti.
Ngicela ukuphalasa baba.
Phalaza. Akhathi. Phalaza.
I'm not happy bafethu.
Yeah.
Totally unhappy ngeteam yami bafethu. It's disappointed namhlanje mfethu. Ngalendlela yokuthi besimisele size stadium mfethu.
Yeah. Win.
Ngokuthi sizowina. Size kule team esithandayo kodwa namhlanje ngiphoxile. Angeke ukuthi labafana labo umdu novilakazi boyithuba ifeli team. The other players benzani bona. Angeke sithi thina sithi sizosupporta ilenti Kaizer Chiefs other players angane. Angazinikeli. Umkhiphelana iGadaro and the foot that guy was winning all the balls. Even umthetho. Hayi khona cha bafethu asamene ukuthi kuba ngathi bangaqala basitholele nje coach. Serious coach. Serious coach sacela bafethu. Sesibethela ngale mantwana. Badlala ngathi ingedo labantwana. Bakanti badlala ngathi ingedo bakhipha lo bafaka lo bakishafula yonke into.
Bathatha ama chance.
Cha basazi labantu bafuna. Manje baqale phansi bayazela. Ngaso sikhathi siqalile i-pre-season kahle ngonabi beceda bamxosha futhi. Cela nje sezeni kahle Makhosi one love.
Thank you, Bafeng.